You briefly about my stethoscope. A lot of people ask about what I like to use. I like the new company Heart and Sound out of DeWitt, Arkansas. It's made really close to home, and it's very affordable. For around 55 bucks you can own one. The sound tubing is high quality. It's great. I've owned Master Cardiologies, Cardiology 3s, even tried the Cardiology 4. This has by far been the best that I've used as far as listening to breath sounds, also the heart tones. I'm excited to say that this month they're coming out with their version of the Master Cardiology, and I'm looking so forward to trying it out. If you're interested in the stethoscope, they have very comfortable earpieces, lightweight, goes everywhere, works great. I've had it for a little over a year now since they first opened. I'll put a link in my bio. I encourage you to follow, like, and share, and give these